Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F26 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can you do to get rid of it. So first of all, the F26 error is an error that is involving the door lock. It's sensing some anomaly, something weird going on with the lock. So this will happen in a couple of cases. One of them is if you run multiple cycles without opening the door. Like if maybe you had something really dirty or something like that and you're trying to wash it out and you run multiple cycles without taking anything out. After 3 cycles, the washing machine will say, hey, what's going on here? And it will give you this error. And all you need to do, if that's the situation, all you need to do to clear this error out is just open the door, close the door, and it'll clear out this error. Another thing that can happen is if it senses that it's locked, the door's locked, but the door's open at the same time, if it gets some kind of anomaly, it'll give you this error. And what you can do then is just go in and check and make sure that nothing's like stuck, like maybe the door is open, but the lock mechanism, because there's gunk or grease or lint or something in there preventing it from moving properly, that it's giving some kind of error there mechanically. And what I would do is just try to make sure everything is clean and just kind of give it a nice close, a nice open. Make sure everything feels like it's moving smoothly. Make sure everything sounds right. You're getting a proper latch and a proper opening and everything like that. And if you do all that stuff, you should be able to get rid of this error and get your washing machine working again. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.